So one of my biggest regrets last year is we put cell cameras on food, and if the deer weren't around the food, we didn't even come hunt, which generally has worked out well for us in the past because they're on food early season. Last year, for whatever reason, they weren't. So last year, we didn't even hardly come hunt on this particular farm early until probably mid-October because there just weren't any bucks coming to the food. And when we came up here and hunted in mid-October, we pulled cameras, just checking regular cameras, not cell cameras, and found that there was big bucks in this area all the time. During the day, like in an 8-day, 9-day span, like 7 of those 9 days, daylighting target bucks. So what I've done this year, I've made a little brush funnel over there. I've got a camera, I've got cell camera, I've got a mock scrape. Still got this camera here. This is the camera that shot down this road that would catch bucks traveling up and down this road on this ridge top. And we didn't have a cell camera here last year, so we didn't know. And it would have been a pretty easy hunt, I think, had we just done that. So this year, got a cell camera in the area and spread the net a little wider instead of just being on food. Even though food early is probably going to be the name of the game, but could have a year like last year where it just wasn't. Talked about it in the Outdoor Defiance podcast that I was on. One of my projects this year is I'm making a kind of a backdoor trail or a funnel or a tunnel to a brush funnel, tongue twister. And you can see it is just absolute jungle. Briars, thistles, snakes. But I wanted to kind of show you this little trail I'm talking about because I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm here at the Jeep where I park. So this is how it would look walking in or in the morning or early afternoon. All right. So you can see I've actually already worked this place over. There's some deer turds. And one of the things I wanted to do today was get a camera in this funnel to see more deer turds. That looks like a buck. Are the deer using this? Because I don't want to use it if they're using it. It looks like they're using it. You can see this is areas I've sprayed, I've cut. So this is going to be a good area to come in. Either that or the deer are using it. And you can see it's just all around is just good bedding, thick, grown up bedding. Alright, now I had sprayed, I thought, up in here, but it doesn't look like it. This is where I got to pick up today. Continuing the trail on up that way. And it is a jungle. But right up there is the tree that I'm going to climb that will look over the ridge and should see scrapes and the trail they like to walk on. So this is the tree I'm going to get in. Probably that one with a little lean to it. Not crazy about it, but there's not many good options. There's a thinner one back there. Not loving it. This one's right on top of them. You can kind of see this is the funnel itself. The brush funnel where it's really the only place you can cross that isn't just full of briars. So this is the trail itself. I come through with this electric hedge trimmer, battery powered hedge trimmer, round up everything. This middle section up here I've got to round up again. But this trail I intended to be the trail that I walk in on, but I'm finding a lot of deer droppings on it, so I'm not so sure if I'm going to be walking this or if the deer are going to be walking this. So this is the section I haven't round up. And you can tell it's pretty grown up and green. The other side of this thickness over there is a nice four-wheeler trail that I could walk in, but the deer have been using that, so I don't really want to use it. But you can see, I mean, it is just, we're in a tunnel back to where I'd sprayed last time. I'm gonna put a trail camera in here to see if the deer are using this or not, and that might decide. I've got one on each trail That might decide which trail I actually come up. You can see we come out of this tunnel or trail. It's probably 60 yards, maybe a little more, a little less, to where the drop-off point is, or where we park and unload the side-by-side. So, going to be a neat trail.